You've got a problem. Wire number 5 doesn't exist. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5.
Where are we looking at?
In this plug, in the pin.
So why do we need a wire 5? What are you trying to do?
We've got to put a resistor in the ESS collaboration circuit. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty. Literally the only one that's empty, number 5.
Several bad puns later.
So did we find a wire?
We think so. We think we found the wire. And that's all I can give the viewers at home right now, to be honest with you.
Did we find a soldering iron?
We did, but it didn't work, so luckily I've got one here. I can feel the fucking heat coming off the soldering iron, mate. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Concentrate!
That's the best solder I've ever done, mate!
You're shaking, hold.
There is nothing wrong with that connection.
No, they will do it.
Absolutely no problem at all with that.
Nope, none. And I'm not even being sarcastic.
No, there's nothing wrong with that.
I
There's
know.
nothing wrong with that. That is legit. Oh no, heat shink's gonna shrink it.
It does anyway, so just...
Could you please hold that still for me?
Yeah, I'm just petrified.
What do you mean you're petrified?
You're shaking! You're holding a red hot screwdriver.
That's what I do. Come on, get the protective cardboard under there. Oh, come on, cooperate. Can't get the joint hot enough.
Just hold it under, and now just about touch. No, touch it where it touches. Yeah, like that. Yeah. That's it.
Maximum support. We'll shrink it with the blowtorch as well. Hey, fuck it. Ah! Why was that stayed hot like that? It's not what it does. Oh. That's that module successfully installed. Yeah. A lot of things they would have done different to us today. At the end of the day, you've got to do what you've got to do.
So is it ready now? Are we there yet?
It's ready to load the tune in, I believe. Just uploading the software now for the tune, and hopefully that's it. ECU has been successfully programmed. Smiley face. Nice of them to add that little friendly touch there. Right. First start.
Oil. You didn't check the oil.
Check the oil.
Filling. New car. Reinstall router. Start and run the engine to operate it. Operating signature. Double check all.
And that's what it says.
Well, we're starting it now?
I'll just... fuck's sake, thought I had that sussed.
No? I mean, you should.
Have to be maybe.
Yeah, some kind of it, some kind of boost. Is it showing?
Yeah.
That felt really good.
That was in boost. It's just gonna blow the tyres off, but fuck it, let's launch it.
Yeah.
It's just gonna wheel spin. I mean, it wheel spin before, so it's gonna fucking wheel spin now, isn't it?
Will you have your traction off?
Absolutely, yeah. My traction, just take the wheel.
Sounds incredible.
Definitely seems happy, doesn't it?
That was a good one!
Eventually.
Gonna need some bigger tyres.
What is it doing?
5.0, that's all it can do.
5.0.
Yeah.
And before, what was it doing?
Best I ever got was 5.27 before, but I could launch it before, and now I can't. It just, you can't, it just wouldn't launch any of it, so.
Why can't you launch it?
It just wheel spins all first 3 gears.
Ah,
It just did then.
that sounds like okay.
That then was just full launch, and it just went through all the gears, didn't it? So it's just, I had to back off because it just ended up, it was going a bit sideways. But that wheel spun first, second, and then started to spin first and backed off.
Sounds fucking incredible. That's
How long that was.
yeah. Alright guys, so here you have it. A BMW 645 with a supercharger, ESS. Apparently the first one in the UK. That thing is fast and it can drift. So Connor is very happy about that. So yeah, if you like this little light-hearted feature and episode of DIY drifted or DIY boosted, what did I say? I don't remember. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
3 weeks later.
Morning guys, another day, another part episode. It's been a couple of weeks and Connor decided that obviously just claim figures is not good enough, so we're taking it on the dyno. So we're at Redline Tuning, no advertisement, and oh, let's see what it does. Alright, so the results are in, and yes, if you've seen 447, that's pretty much what we were expecting when we fitted the kit. They say that it's supposed to add 120 to 150 horse. Originally it's 335-ish. It's 447, let's call it 450. So that's a good chunk of power on top. Let's ask Connor what he thinks.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. We're thinking now to put, Rich wants to put his uni chip on it, which is his own tuning platform. I said he can do that, it's not a problem, so we're going to get that put on it, water meth put on it, possibly a smaller pulley, but we're a bit scared. We'll see how it goes, see what happens.
So the goal is to reach 600.
No, it is not. 500 would be nice.
Come on, you know it makes sense.
Well,
600.
I mean, an engine's only $1,000, isn't it?
You know?
Maybe we'll go 600 now.
Alright, so I guess now is the real finish to this episode of Boosted DIY. Yeah, don't claim me on that. 447, let's call it 450. It runs really safe. Future plans, as you heard from Connor, water math, another tune, play around with a couple of sensors and stuff like that, and see what they can squeeze out of it. Yeah, I mean, it drives well, sounds amazing. I mean, you just can't beat a V8, can you? V8 noise. I mean, I'll probably never sell this. Love it. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe if that's your thing. I don't want subscribers who are never gonna watch my stuff, you know, YouTube stuff. Click like, obviously, if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, still click like, you know. Share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That's a good one! Yeah, content!